Hello friends. Today we will be starting with the HSC topic, chapter number 15, Introduction to Polymer Chemistry. Friends, polymer is one of the important aspect into our daily life. We cannot imagine our life without polymers. So it is important for us to learn what actually polymers are and what is polymer chemistry. So let's start. Friends, before knowing what are polymers, it is important for us to know the origin of the word. What is the origin of the word polymer? So let us understand that. The word polymer has a Greek origin. Poly means many and meros means parts. Friends, in the textbook it has been given as mer means parts. I don't know how much correct it is, but it's better that we follow the textbook. So that was the origin of the word. Now let us understand what is the actual definition of polymer. As per the textbook, the definition goes like this. Chemically, polymers are complex, giant macromolecules made from the repeating units which are derived from small molecules called monomers. Friends, let us break down the definition and understand the terms into it. So what do you mean by complex? Friends, monomers are simple in nature. They add up in multiple ways, multiple times, and they form a giant molecule which has a complex nature. So moving forward, chemically polymers are complex, that's it. Giant macromolecules. So let us first understand what is the meaning of macromolecules. We can say that macromolecules are giant molecules in which at least 1,000 atoms are linked together by covalent bond. It is the meaning of macromolecules. We know some of the biological macromolecules like proteins, nucleic acid, which means the DNA and RNA. We have learnt in detail about that in the topic biomolecules. So it is complex, a giant macromolecule made from the repeating units which are derived from small molecules called as monomers. It is nothing. In simple way we can say that monomers add up to form a polymer. And this process can be called as polymerization. मित्रांनो, व्याख्या अतिशय सोपी आहे. मोनोमर्स पासून पॉलिमर तयार होतात. जास्त प्रमाणामध्ये, थोडक्यात बहुसंख्य प्रमाणामध्ये मोनोमर्स हे एकत्र येतात आणि एक हाय मॉलिक्युलर वेट कंपाऊंड तयार करतात, ज्याला आपण पॉलिमर असे म्हणतो. आणि याच प्रक्रियेला साध्या भाषेमध्ये पॉलिमरायझेशन असे म्हणतात. ही झाली व्याख्या. दिस वॉज इन डेफिनेशन ऑफ पॉलिमर. सो वी शॅल मूव फॉरवर्ड and see what are the daily equipments or daily use things which are polymers, and we cannot imagine our life without polymers. So let us explore what are the things we see in our daily life and which are polymers. Friends, these are the few things which we see in our daily life which are nothing but which are polymers. The bathing mug or the bottles or the important toys which are necessary for the children's, and all the equipments or the pipe fittings which have been used in the bathroom as well as other purposes. So this is the importance of polymer. I have not shown most of the things, but it is far vast than what I am telling. So it's important for us to learn the topic polymer chemistry and what is its scope. मित्रांनो, आता फक्त इंट्रोडक्टरी पार्ट आपण पाहिलेला आहे. पुढच्या लेक्चरमध्ये त्याचं क्लासिफिकेशन कसं केलं जातं, कुठल्या बेसिसवर केलं जातं आणि किती प्रकारे केलं जातं. We are going to learn the types of bases or the classification of polymers based on the different types. So friends, we'll meet in the next lecture with classification of polymers based on different characters, different specifications like source or the process of polymerization, etc. etc. So that was all about the introductory part. Thank you friends.